Hey, and welcome to Identifying Web Elements with Selenium Webdriver. So happy to have you here. This is one of the most critical sections that you can cover in regards to functional test automation, not only for Selenium WebDriver, but in general. Element identification is one of the most key aspects when it comes to doing any kind of functional test automation. Whether you're using Selenium WebDriver or not, being able to locate an element in the HTML and be able to interact with it, it's one of the most critical skills that you can learn. If you can't identify an element, you can't automate it. Therefore, you fail. So make sure that you take this section very seriously and master all of the skills that I'm going to teach you. Speaking of, what exactly are we going to learn? First, we're going to start off by learning the basics of HTML. Yes, you need to know the basics of HTML to be a good test automation engineer. Afterwards, we're going to learn the different types of locators in Selenium WebDriver so that you can utilize those locators inside of the HTML to be able to identify the elements so that we can interact with them. Next, we're going to learn XPath. XPath is an excellent way of locating elements. A lot of times our element locators that Selenium WebDriver provides are not going to be sufficient to getting us what we need. Therefore, excellent manipulation of the XPath is going to allow us to identify any element anytime without a problem. After we learn all of those fundamental principles, we're actually going to start identifying elements and working with them. We're going to start that off by learning how to work with fields. We're going to learn how to work with links, radio buttons and regular buttons, and of course, one of the most complicated and annoying topics in the world for test automation, HTML tables. And of course, we'll cover a bunch more different types of elements, but if you understand all of those, you'll have a fantastic foundation for identifying elements using Selenium WebDriver.